So I have no option but to talk about Bishan. Bishan is a unique and possibly one of the greatest left-arm spinners that India has ever had, will ever have. We all toured together in '67 to England under Patodi's captaincy. He was a bowler to watch. Forget about his bowling. The way in which he ran up to the stumps and then with the turban on and bowl, the whole English people, follower of this game, really following, sort of, admiring him. And adding to that, the man who flighted the ball and who brought the ball in and then take the batsman out, ball away from the batsman, he was the first man to do it. And till such time, it was all of us seen bowlers like Gifford and Underwood, they were all bowling flat and sort of hitting the deck all the time. And he introduced a totally different concept to bowling, where he believed that bowling well flighted, deceptive over balls, he can draw the batsman out. You can, many people have attempted to cut him, he's been bowled, but people who have tried to drive him have never reached the ball. They have come and completed the stroke. The ball has seen going towards the first slip and wicketkeeper gathered and stumped. I think he was a genius, and his action was so perfect. I think it's unfortunate that we don't have another Bishan in the offing. We have a different sort of left-arm spinners these days, and he also had very basics. Left-arm spinner taking the ball out, a toss spinner which rolls on to the batsman and hit him the gloves area, and the other one was an arm bar. All in one action. All in one action from the same spot, side on, and he used to look at the batsman over his right shoulder, which these days is missing, because these days everyone is open chested. Okay, and he had the perfect transfer of weight. Forward, left to right, forward was superb. A bowler to emulate was Bishan Singh Bedi. And Bishan, when you play with Bishan, you learn quite a bit that you cannot allow a batsman to cut or a pull. You learn how to vary the line, maintaining the length, and you set a field for the line that you operate. And how much advantageous it is to flight a ball. People are scared of flighting the ball, which he never believed in that, because he always believed that you flight the ball, you have a 50-50 chance. Flight means invitation to hit. When once a batsman makes a hit or attempts to hit, so you are in the business. So he never believed in batsman blocking and blocking and blocking. So he changed that line of thinking that you flight the ball to take a wicket. And the other thing which he taught me, or which I learned from him, was that you flight with an intention of hitting the stumps, failing which the second option that you have with the same ball is you anticipate a return catch. I think I have not seen a better left-arm spinner than him yet, and I think I was lucky that I became a cementing force between these two, Chandra and Bishan, as the third spinner Indian team. And I'm really, I have learned quite a bit from his bowling, in addition to what I learned against playing against Subhash Gupte. So all this has culminated in my bowling, and I'm grateful to have played along with these two.